এটা ইটস এ সাইফুল বয়লার ফার্ম, বসুরহাট, কোম্পানিগঞ্জ। Very good performance now showing. Now we are trial how BS4 good application rules of litter. Now we can start. At first we are inputting litter, then first of all you loosen your litter and smoothly sprayed BS4 frequently. Just you used in this way. If BS4 powder in feed pot or drinker pot is not arise problem, when you spray, first of all you spray it in liter, then you mix up with your leg or used another tools. Okay, it's easy way. This is the bad symptom in litter. Okay, you must be it's broken, not this is good. Okay, we are again start. We are treatment now in litter. If we control our litter in good position, then at least 25% medicine cost we must be reducing medicine cost. Just BS4 in this feather, no problem, it's not a big problem, it's easy. Then we can start. Not space tight. Litter not allowed tight. You look this, they are relaxed. You look this, they are relaxed. Your litter is loose, your birds is relaxed. It's good. It's good for us. Bioscience Animal is introducing a product BS4 really. Use of this way. If you not use this way, then you should not good result. Okay. Now we are going to this area, this side. Okay. Our helping Mr. Saiful is a good farmer. I think he always try to use management products, biosecurity products. BS4 is one of the environmental products for birds. You must be try to in your litter everyday loses. Your litter and floor must be cleanable. Okay, cleanable. Your litter must be used weekly, 2 to 3 days. You use minimum 2 days. You use BS4 powder in litter. You must be winter season. You use weekly 2 days. Okay. Summer 1 day is not problem, but winter you must be used 3 days, 2 days weekly. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Assalamu